Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Ethereum, the price of Ethereum right now is on the verge of explosion, and a lot of investors, especially in the world of cryptocurrency, are really looking at Ethereum right now and are wondering at what point is it actually going to really take off. In fact, I have actually made a video about Ethereum and the Ethereum price prediction a couple of days back, which I will be linking in the description box below, so make sure you check it out there. But today we will be talking about one really important factor about Ethereum, and that is hitting its all-time high. In fact, the price of Ethereum is in the next couple of days is about to hit that all-time high price of $1,448, and even today the price of Ethereum crossed $1,400. And a lot of people out there, a lot of investors out there are talking about how once the price of Ethereum crosses this magical number, well, things are going to be absolutely amazing for Ethereum investors out there. See, in my previous video in which I talked about Ethereum and the Ethereum price prediction, I actually gave a price prediction of $5,000. And a lot of you in the comment section told me, you know what, that is a very conservative price for Ethereum. And in fact, the price of Ethereum in 2021 is going to go much higher than that. And a lot of YouTubers out there have given their price prediction, some of them even crossing that $10,000 mark. Now, obviously, everybody has their own opinion on Ethereum and the Ethereum price prediction, but there are a couple of things which we all agree on, and that is Ethereum is going to see some massive gains in 2021. Now, I have talked about many reasons, but one of the immediate reasons why the price of Ethereum is really going to increase right now is seeing that magical number 1448 get crossed by Ethereum. In fact, today the price of Ethereum crossed $1,400, and by the time you're watching this video, there is a very high likely chance that Ethereum would have touched its all-time high price. Now, if you're just going to base the short-term price prediction for Ethereum based on trading principles, then the immediate resistance levels are at 1420 and then at 1675. These are some major resistance levels which if the price of Ethereum has to cross to see a major upwards price direction for Ethereum. But on the contrary, if the price takes a downwards trajectory and if it breaks below that $1,152, then it could drop below its 20-day EMA, which stands at around $1,079. But again, if we see the price of Ethereum even below that $1,079, it can actually fall below $1,000. But from what we're seeing right now and seeing the huge demand for Ethereum right now, and which I will talk about much later in the video as well, it seems that the price of Ethereum is on an upward trajectory. Now, there are a couple of major reasons why the price of Ethereum is doing absolutely amazing and why it will continue to do absolutely amazing even compared to other cryptocurrencies out there. Well, first of all, we are currently in the alt season, not just in the crypto bull run, but in the alt season where alternative coins besides Bitcoin are performing absolutely amazing. And currently Ethereum seems to be the king of this. And also, to some extent, Polkadot is also really trying to take the space of Ethereum, but Ethereum is still having extremely amazing percentage gains for this year. And if you're comparing it to Bitcoin percentage gain for this year is around 25 to 30%, while Ethereum has increased by more than 80% for this year. And that is why you see a lot of people who made huge gains for Bitcoin, especially last year, are now starting to take their profit and put into other altcoins, very high risk altcoins, because this is where they're going to make a lot of money. And it seems that Ethereum is one of those cryptos in which people are really putting a lot of money. And while I did talk about Polkadot here, I do want to mention that I did make a video on Polkadot previously, which I highly suggest you to learn about it, and why I gave a price prediction for Polkadot, which to a lot of investors out there does seem to be really good. Now, there are a lot of skeptics out there regarding Ethereum who are saying, hey, look, the price of Ethereum is nearing at an all-time high, and we are not really going to see the price of Ethereum increase further. And just like what happened in late 2017, early 2018, when the price of Ethereum touched that 1448 number, after that the price of Ethereum just tanked, and a lot of skeptics out there are saying, you know what, it's going to happen again. But one of the major differences between late 2017 and this 2021 is how the space of and the entire crypto world has really matured. And while we're talking about this, we cannot ignore the fact that Ethereum is basically the king of decentralized finance right now, and it is really propelling, and the things that are used on decentralized finance, and Ether is the token which is kind of propelling the entire ecosystem here. And that is why you see a massive uptick in the price of gas fees. Now, although the price of gas fees like increasing is not really good, but it kind of does show like the demand of Ethereum out there. We should also not forget that large institutional players are really willing to buy very large quantities of Ethereum. Now, we saw the same thing happen to Bitcoin last month in December of 2020, and that is why we saw the price of Bitcoin breaching all-time highs almost every day, or if not every alternative day. That is why a lot of people are now are taking their profits, as I mentioned before, and are now trying to move into the Ethereum ecosystem, where they see a very good potential in the price of Ethereum and how it is going to increase in the future. That is why a lot of large investors are starting to buy Ethereum, and that is also one of the reasons why the price of Ethereum is actually increasing this month. Now, the question that you might have is, should you even buy Ethereum at the current price, which is nearing at an all-time high? Now, before looking at this, make sure that you do not forget the golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. And having said that, it is important to also note that the price of Ethereum is moving in a direction, especially what the entire crypto community believes, and a lot of investors and a lot of big financial players are believing that the price of Ethereum is moving towards a positive direction. And also, I did make a video on this, which you should check it out, and I talked about how the price of Ethereum is going to increase. And considering all these factors, it does seem to be a really good idea to invest in Ethereum right now, even though the price of Ethereum is at an all-time high. But make sure that you only invest what you can afford to lose, and also do your own due diligence. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts regarding the Ethereum and Ethereum price prediction moving forward, and if you're going to invest in Ethereum right now, or if not, let me know why you think it might not be a good investment. All of these in the comment section below, because I do love reading all your comments. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, as it helps out a lot, and also give this video a like. And as always, I will see you next time.